The entire cryptocurrency market is in a much different place than it was last year in October, November of 2022. Now that we're here in October, November of 2023, we see Bitcoin bouncing back nicely. We're not dealing with the fallout of FTX anymore. As a matter of fact, Sam Bankman-Fried has been found guilty on, I believe, 7 different charges. The entire cryptocurrency space is seeing price levels above those FTX, the levels prior to the FTX collapse. But I want to focus in on Terra Luna Classic in this video, because we are down near the absolute bottom in terms of Terra Luna Classic's price. We are maintaining levels between 6,000 and 6,500 points per coin, which is excellent to see some strength. But in terms of community involvement, in terms of Terra Luna Classic burns, in terms of Binance, we are seeing it dwindle away, and I believe that this is simply an indicator of the bear market eating people's excitement. As soon as the bull market returns, these numbers will rebound phenomenally. So let's discuss why so, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're going to be earning 5% on your cash balances. Don't have to buy a single share of anything, and you're getting that 5%. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you've got KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders. The more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you're holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. So if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. Guys, look, it's completely different sentiment now than we had back in October, November of 2022. With Terra Luna Classic ripping up to not all-time highs, but recent highs, basically 15xing in price, everybody was excited. Phenomenally excited. Everybody was trading Terra Luna Classic. They wanted to know what was going on, and they wanted a piece of the action, believing that Terra Luna Classic could rip back up to $1, $10, $100 per coin once again. And since then, since that major rally, we have witnessed nothing but price declines. The price action has been extremely stagnant over the last couple of weeks, but if you look over the last couple of months, it has been decline after decline after decline for the last year. And that takes its toll on investors. Now, of course, if you've been here that long, you understand the excitement that was going on back then. Everybody was saying LUNC is going to rip. Everybody was excited about tomorrow, and everybody was excited about the short term. Now, everybody's trying to convince you that Terra Luna Classic is some sort of a long-term play. If you want to see gains, you have to be committed to development. If you want to see price action in Terra Luna Classic, you have to be willing to hold for a decade. And this has happened so often in the bear market that it's just pattern at this point. As soon as the bear market reaches a bottom, people's desperation reaches a high. And what they're saying is you need to hold and be committed forever because the price action may or may not ever rebound. And that's simply not true. The exact opposite is actually true during a bull market. Coins begin to rip astronomically. Prices begin to go up with almost no logic behind them. And I believe that could happen for Terra Luna Classic as well as soon as confidence is returned to the cryptocurrency space. So just to kind of show us how far we've come over the last year, I want to compare the burns from October of 2022 and the burns of October of 2023. Now, this is not to shed a negative light. You guys remember that Coach Bruce dude, the LUNC DAO or whatever, the guy that pretty much tried to sabotage us all. He's got a great post out there. And it is true, right? It says that Binance's burns in October of 2022 were $1.8 million. Binance's burns in October of 2023, $47,000. Now, of course, his point is that this is 2% of the monthly burns from 1 year ago. that we've only burned 1% of the supply in a total of 18 months, and the burns are never going to work. Guys, here's the beautiful part. The volume on Terra Luna Classic was soaring in October of 2022. And that's because the price was moving higher. If you are so naive as to believe that the price of Terra Luna Classic will not soar during a bull market when everybody is buying everything, and that burns will once again soar, you would be just as naive as Bruce. The price action in the crypto space, the stock market space, it's almost like it's cyclical in nature. And if you're unsure what that means, think about it like this. Okay, everybody goes shopping for Christmas. The market is cyclical. It's seasonal. When Christmas time approaches, more and more retail shoppers emerge. You guys can see it, especially if you're going out trying to buy presents last minute. Things are extremely crowded. People are spending. And then, of course, afterwards, that dies down a little bit. And, of course, next year, when Christmas approaches, people are going to be spending like crazy. The same seasonal or cyclical nature of retail shopping happens in stock markets and crypto markets as well. And when the confidence returns to the crypto space, and more people are out there buying Terra Luna Classic, Bitcoin, Ethereum, SHIB, all of these other meme coins that are out there, when the volume increases and you maintain that burn tax, the burn is going to increase as well. So I do absolutely believe that we can see $1.8 million burnt in a month by Binance once again. In fact, I believe we could burn even more than that. Binance has been committed so far for over a year to burning 100%, and then of course they dropped it to 50% of all of their trading fees. Guys, if on-chain volume increases and off-chain volume increases, yes, we can be doing those numbers once again. Yes, we can have a community that's excited. Yes, we can have a community that is not telling you you need to be committed for a decade in order to see some gains. So I want to know what you guys think. Down in the comments below, when you see numbers like this, does it present to you an opportunity or does it present to you a problem? Because everything in life can either be viewed as a problem or an opportunity. So let me know down in the comments below what you guys think about the burns kind of dwindling away and once again the bull market's return, allowing these burns to increase. Now if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro 883 everywhere. You guys are getting 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull. You get KuCoin and Binance, free Discord, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.